Let's do a simple exercise, wrap and learn the wrap feature. So I am going to first make one 3D body. So top plane, sketch, activate circle, and let me draw one circle. Smart dimension, make diameter 100 millimeter, enter. Now go to feature and activate extruded boss base, and here extrude up to 50 millimeter. Say okay. Now let me select this one, and I'm going to define some color or something like this. Okay. Now I'm going to wrap one text on this circular body. So I'm going to take front plane, sketch, and here I'm going to draw our text. Now let me select one line and connect one end to this end. Exit. Now here we have one option called text. Activate this feature, select this line, and here write your text. So let's say SolidWorks, enter tutorial. Now look, here we have too many options. Let's say bold, you have to select, make it bold. You can make it italic tilt. You can even reverse, see, rotate. If you don't want this, simply delete these all options. Make it simple, uncheck italic. Now from here, see, you can flip vertical or horizontal, these two options. Now in case we don't need, now from here you can increase the you will see width factor. You can increase the width of letters or gap between two letters. Font, let's say I'm going to choose here 11. Okay. Now see, say okay. Now let me take little down. Oh, that's it. Now go to feature and activate here wrap feature. Simply exit and choose wrap feature. Diametric. Now here we have three options. One is engrave, emboss, then engrave, or deboss, you can say. The last one is inscribed, simply split face. Now method, we have two options. One is analytical and another is spline surface. This is not a spline surface, this is analytical, a simple surface. Now sketch already selected. Now you have to select here face. So activate this one and select this face. Now you will see the preview. Now this is going to emboss from this side. Even you can change direction, reverse direction. Now here you can apply the thickness, how thick you want to emboss. So let's say 5 millimeter. Even pull direction also there, but we don't need because we are already on a plane. Say okay and look. Even you can select this feature and you can assign any color or something. Okay. See. Now edit feature. Now there is one more option, the second option, deboss. Let's say deboss. Now same thing, you have to select plane, you have to select the face, you have to define the depth. Let's say 3 millimeter, not much. Even same reverse direction from back side, this direction. Say okay and look, this is deboss. Edit feature, the last option is Scribe. It means it split the face and it will simply applied on face. So this one, now here you have to select only the sketch and the face. Say okay. See, This is not emboss, not this is simply split the face. So this is how wrap feature works. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.